The sample your supplier sent looks perfect. So why, once you have bought the machine and start printing yourself, doesn't everything seems to go wrong? Color variation, poor wash fastness, the whole batch inconsistent? If you are about to buy a digital textile printer, here is the truth nobody tells you. The more perfect the sample looks, the more careful you need to be. A beautiful sample and a stable bulk run are two completely different things. While a sample can come so good, let me tell you what I actually see on the ground. A sample can come out beautiful, and usually it comes down 4 things. First, the artwork. Part of that result is turned in the file. The operator adjusts the design and the color covers. That's the engineer's skill, not the machine's. Change the design or the person, the result may not come true anymore. Second, slow. A sample can print slowly with a very high pass count, taking its time just to look good. But bulk has deadlines. It has to run at production speed, and that's a whole different quality level. 3. The environment. A sample is usually printed in the ideal conditions with the most careful pre- and post-treatment. But both the environment and the treatment liquids affected how the machine performs. We have customers who build a dedicated 24-hour air-conditioned room for the machine. The point is to keep it running non-stop, producing around the clock. Some even install 4 ACs in rotation. The printer can work 24 hours straight, but the air conditioners need to take turns resting. Once the environment or treatment isn't stable, temperature and humidity swing, the fabric takes on moisture, and the ink flow and jetting stability suffer too, especially in continuous bulk production. A sample is fine in ideal conditions, bulk in a humid and dusty workshop may not. Fourth, the fabric. If the sample wasn't printed on your fabric, that hand-picked piece may not behave like your bulk fabric at all. Wetness, absorbency, weight, silicone oil content, wave, composition, change any of them and the result can change. Line up all 4 and of course the sample looks great. The real question is, when you are running bulk, can you line up all 4? Okay, in my next video, I'm gonna tell you how to protect yourself.